everyone, I'm Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share another delicious, comforting meal. Today we're going to make vegan Pad Kra Pao. It's a delicious Thai dish. Traditionally they use chicken, Thai basil, chilies, garlic, just very simple ingredients, but we're going to use medium firm tofu to make this a vegan dish. So yeah, let's get started. We're going to start by chopping up one chili pepper. This is not spicy at all, it just adds a really nice extra pepper flavor to this dish, and I think it just complements everything really well. We're going to add our chili pepper into our pestle and mortar, and we're going to ground it into a rough paste. Using a pestle and mortar releases all the oils and flavors from the chili, and I think this makes the dish much more delicious. I'm adding in 2 Thai chilies. They're also called chili patties. They're the same chilies. I'm removing the seeds from the chilies. If you don't want it that spicy, you can keep the seeds in if you're really into spicy food. I'm just slicing up the chilies and putting them into the pestle and mortar as well. I use pounding and twisting motions to break down the ingredients into a rough paste. I'm adding 3 medium cloves of garlic into my pestle and mortar. I'm going to ground this into a rough paste. I'm dicing up 3 shallots. Doesn't have to be perfect, just roughly chopped. I'm going to slice up 100 grams of French beans. We're going to remove the ends, slicing them into 1/4 inch slices. Here I'm crumbling up 200 grams of extra firm tofu. For this recipe, you really need to use extra firm tofu. Other soft tofus would not work for this recipe because we're trying to mimic a similar texture to minced meat, so extra firm tofu is a great substitute for this. I'm crumbling up the tofu into 1/2 inch pieces. You want your tofu in relatively small pieces so that has a large surface area to soak up all the flavors. We're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in our wok. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add in our chili garlic paste. Have your heat on medium-low. We're going to saute this paste for about 5 minutes so it's nice and fragrant. Next, we're adding in our shallots. We're going to saute the shallots until it's translucent and soft. Next, we're adding in our chopped French beans. We're going to saute the beans until it changes color, becomes a little bit more of a vibrant green. That's when you know it's cooked. Next, we're adding in our crumbled tofu. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of mushroom powder. This is going to add a nice umami flavor without MSG. Next, we're adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We're also adding in 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. This is going to give it a really nice color and also a hint of sweetness. Mix in all the seasonings really well and make sure all the tofu is one even color. Here I'm just giving it a little taste just to make sure all the seasonings are perfect. Lastly, we're adding in our holy basil. We're just adding in the leaves. We're going to cook this down until the leaves has wilted. I'm serving my tofu pad kra pao with some steamed jasmine rice. This is the final dish. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let's see how it tastes. So here's my pad kra pao with some steamed rice. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm so hungry. This is so delicious. I wish you could try this because it's so good. I'm probably going to eat 2 bowls of this because I love it so much. Not exaggerating. You have to try this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and let me know if you try this recipe out. Like this video if you enjoyed watching and subscribe for more vegan recipes. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite Thai dish? That would really help the algorithm. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next Wednesday for a new video. Bye.